from the Castle Couple. Hey guys, it's Chase
Hey.
from the Castle Couple, and today we are back at Disney Springs. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping, we're gonna have dinner, and hopefully see the drone show.
Yeah, hopefully.
Fingers crossed. The weather hopefully will hold out on us. So let's go do some shopping. Yes, I'm gonna create my own headband. Here's the sneakers too, the Lacers. They're like mystery shoes, but they're smaller than I thought. Alrighty, so we're heading into probably our favorite store down here, World of Disney. So we'll show you guys some of the merch from there. Let's do it. Alright, so we have the new Halloween Munchlings. So cute. Hot dog mummy. There's also some new weighted plush like Grogu and a Yeti. We're in the plush section. There's a Kevin Bigfoot. Grogu? Yeah, I found myself in the stuffed animal section. Black Panther, Rocket. There's a Kevin back there. Alright, so we're in World of Disney. We're in the Halloween section scouting out for the viral ghosty sweatshirt.
I claimed it was gonna go viral months ago.
Yep. This is cute though. The little Mickey crew neck. However, kind of cool. Oh, there's a hat. Let's go look at the hat. Yep, I like it. I'm a big fan. Alrighty. So no luck on the ghosty sweatshirt. We're gonna go in Marketplace Co-op. That's our next stop. You ready?
I'm ready.
Fingers crossed. Everybody cross your fingers, your toes, and your eyeballs.
I'm looking for 2 viral sweatshirts.
Yeah, the quarter zip with Mickey and friends.
It's bad.
It is. Bubble Waffle. Shout out to Bubble Waffle. Honestly, the best ice cream I've had on Disney property to date.
Maybe featuring one tonight, who knows?
Alright, so we haven't watched it yet. We're gonna watch it hopefully soon. But Ocean Explorers came out. It's all about different things. James Cameron is the producer of it. So, are you excited for it? Yeah? There's this deep sea part, so Aaron's all kinds of excited.
I think it's all deep sea pretty much.
Yeah? Alright, well we'll watch it and we'll let you guys know in the next video. Alright, so in true Castle Couple fashion, we made an audible and are at Port Orleans for dinner over at the French Quarter. So we got grilled chicken burgers. They have fresh mozzarella, all kinds of lettuce and arugula on them, grilled chicken, and we came with french fries and a drink. Alright, what do we get?
Beignets?
Ghoulish beignets.
Ghoulish beignets. I might.
They're cookies and cream. If smell-o-vision existed. Alright, what do you think?
They're so good.
They are really good. They taste just like a cookies and cream sundae.
They're so good.
And they're Mickey shaped. These are our first Mickey shaped beignets. Ever.
I think we started a little high.
The first on many's. So, we're going to finish our things and then we're going to go back to Disney Springs for the drone show. So, we will catch you guys probably over at Disney Springs. So, we're back at Disney Springs by Joffrey's.
Ice lattes.
Ice lattes. And we're waiting for the Dreams at Soar show at 10:45.
It's about 10 o'clock.
It's about 10 o'clock now.
The line is long. Oh, I think
They're actually letting us in now, so about 45 minutes before showtime they're going to let us in. Well, a little bit more than that, but we're going to head over there. We're going to get our spot.
It's like the last week of it, so.
Yeah, it is like the last week of it. It ends September 2nd. Today is August 25th.
Come on, everybody. Here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on to a morning.
Flying elephant! Double bolt!
My name is Doug. I just met you and I love you.
space station.
And then primary again.
Use the force. The force is strong.
Hello, I am Beignets, your personal healthcare companion.
Max, wings. Thrusters.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
And beyond!
Please come alive, and with a leap of faith, find your spirit guide. A whole new world. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. And new adventures coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Go to the place where your dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. Imagine where you go, the dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare to spread your wings. You'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe in yesterday. Where you wanna be, where the magic feels like magic. To the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too.
Alrighty, well, what'd you think?
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was awesome. So now we are heading out. It is officially the end of the evening. So we are off to the car. Best part was Wally for me. What about you?
I like the whole thing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's here through September 2nd.
Yep.
So come see it if you guys get a chance. And that's going to do it for us here today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming very soon. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at The Castle Couple. And we'll see you guys around the kingdom. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we're back from Disney Springs, but I just wanted to give you a quick haul of the stuff we bought at Disney Springs, and it also happens to be Taylor Swift stuff, because we didn't find any of the Disney stuff we were looking for. But we did pop in Sugar Boo, and I got this shirt, and it has like all of her albums as books with little flowers. It's really cute. And then I got like kind of the same idea as a sticker, and then Taylor's version as a sticker. And then we went to the little art booth for the guy that does all of the Taylor Swift paintings. So I got two. I got like a Folklore Evermore one, and then the new Midnight's bodysuit that just came out like last week, which I thought was crazy that he had. So here's all like the information about them on the back. And yeah, so that was our quick little haul from Disney Springs.